Welcome back to Cheap Guy Lawn Care. I'm always looking for a deal. Okay, let me explain. This, I believe, is Zenith zoysia. It is dead as a doornail. But the fact is, if you look closely, see that stuff? She wants to live. See that green? She wants to live. I've been watering it. I'm gonna come back and water it a little later. She wants to live. Look at over there. She wants to live. It was been rolled up for about more than a week. Okay, that stuff is definitely dead. So, but if you look, see the little green? When I've been throwing some water on it. We are experimenting right now. What do you mean by experimenting? Normally, these guys go from $10 to $13 a roll. That's one roll. I got it $2 a piece. So I'm trying to redo the backyard anyway, and everything under this is dirt. And all kind of stuff. So this is my experimental area, but she is trying it is best to come back to life, and I'm happy about it. And let me show you what I did to the front. Okay, as you can see, I've been plugging all afternoon. Any bare spot. This is where Bermuda used to be, so it took me forever to figure out Bermuda don't work here. But if you look, that's all my plugs that are surviving. I got plugs all over the place. So we're trying to redo this, plugging where we can, plug. All that's plugs. Plug this afternoon. And then we came over here and plugged away. And I'm gonna wait till the sun go down and throw some water on this puppy. But we're gonna keep on plugging. And those are original plugs. Those guys looked worse than that. So it is possible. It is possible, guys. You just can't give up. That's my whole thing. It's possible. Don't give up. I didn't realize that this was a zoysia lawn. Zoysia all over there. I put Bermuda thinking I could do it like a dummy. This Bermuda's holding on, but anything past this area right here ain't lasting. So I'm just gonna keep on plugging. When it dies off, keep on plugging. Because that heat, the plugs are surviving. So I'm gonna keep on going. Wish me luck.